Robert Groth here, business and tax expert, helping family child care providers take their business to the next level. I spend a great deal of my time reviewing tax returns that were done previous in the last 2 years. What I find is that most returns are prepared by a preparer, and what we need to understand is not all preparers are alike. We find many of the rules that are unique to child care simply aren't understood by many preparers. So we want to make absolutely sure that you're getting the best return possible and making use of all of the unique rules of family child care when preparing your return. So when you're seeking out a preparer, you want to make absolutely certain that this individual has some experience doing your type of return. You aren't like an auto body shop, you're not like a bakery, you're not like a little restaurant. You have a unique business. And somebody that understands how to do the general Schedule C or the general sole proprietorship type business is not always going to be the right person for you. So you want to ask certain questions like, how many tax returns for family child care have you done? Have you done any education in family child care? Do you understand what the time-space percentage is? And what expenses can I use against that time-space percentage? And questions like, should I depreciate my home? If that individual looks at you blankly and says, yeah, I've done a couple of those, that may not be the person that you're looking for. I offer a service where we review the last 2 years' returns for you, and I offer a 20-minute consultation with anybody that allows us to review that return so that we can see what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong. I've prepared hundreds and hundreds of returns for people around the country. We've represented people in front of the IRS and in front of the appellate court. So we know what we're doing when it comes to family child care. And that's what you need. You need an expert that you can say, I can sleep at night. I know that I've gotten all the expenses that are necessary. And I know I'm paying the least amount of tax possible. And now I can run my business and do what it is that I know how to do. I care for children better than anybody else. I care for tax returns better than anybody else. And that's what you're seeking. You're seeking an expert for helping you in your tax return. It's just like someone seeking an expert in how to take care of children. Until next time.